Greetings of the day. My name is Divesh Malkar. I am a third year student of Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. As a part of my EVS assignment, I am presenting GI tags of Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. The one distinctive thing of Tamil Nadu is its temples. Tamil Nadu is home to a large number of Hindu temples, making it a popular pilgrimage destination for Hindus. The state has 38,615 temples, which is more than any other state in India. Kanchipuram silk. The distinctive weaving technique of a Kanchipuram silk sari uses 3 single threads of silk yarn along with zari, that is silk threads dipped in liquid gold and silver. It has been recognized as a GI tag in 2005. Coimbatore wet grinder. It refers to wet grinders manufactured in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. It has been recognized as a GI tag by the Government of India. Next is East India leather. It is specially prized for its beautiful blonde shade that glows through any color that is hand rubbed onto it. India leather is especially strong with a lively bounce because the extracts of myrobalan seed and wattle bug that is fed and fill the leather, unlike chemical chrome tanning which only covers the leather fibers. After this, we have Dindigul logs. The Dindigul logs are known throughout the world for their superior quality and durability. It is so famous that even the city is called Log City. The abundance of iron in the region is the main reason for the growth of lock making industry. The locks are made of iron and brass and are entirely handmade, which made it to add in the GI tag. Followed by this, we have Erode Manjal. Erode Manjal is turmeric, which is grown in Erode region of Tamil Nadu. It is known for the high curcumin content, which is a natural food coloring agent as approved by World Health Organization. Erode turmeric has about 90% of curcumin content, for which it is most sought after. Followed by this, we have Sirumalai Hill bananas. These bananas are grown in Sirumalai region, which is in Tamil Nadu. Sirumalai Hill bananas have high medical value movement. They are rich in potassium and thereby often suggested as a medicine to treat nervous disorders. The pleasant aroma and delightful taste of this variety of banana is not an experience one is likely to forget in a hurry.